Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn your old jeans into jeans that you'll wear by creating step-up jeans. Okay, so I've been decluttering lately, and within doing that, I have found that I have a lot of jeans that I'm not wearing. And so I found a way that you can make the new style of jeans, which is the step-up jeans, by just taking a pair of scissors and cutting them yourself and not wasting your old jeans. So what you're gonna do is grab a pair of jeans that you no longer wear, and you want to determine the length of the jeans, that what is right for you, and you're gonna mark it off. I always think it is best to grab your fingers around the smallest part of your ankle, and that's where I like mine to hit, kind of by your Achilles tendon. So you are going to mark that, and then you are going to cut it off. Now these particular jeans, that's about right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off the band at the bottom of them where it's folded under. So I'm gonna cut this straight across, and now I know that the length of the jeans is right where I want it to be. All right, so now the next thing you do is determine how far you want the front to come above the back. Now, most jeans, I think, in this style, it's about 1.5 inches. That seems to be a good ratio. As you can see, these ones are already done. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to, this is the front, make sure you're doing it the right way, you guys. So this is the front, and since this seam, as you can see, lies more in the front, I'm gonna also go on the inside of that because I want the back to wrap around a little more. So I'm just gonna cut slits about 1.5 inches up, a little more, as you can see, like that. And now I'm gonna do the other side. Now double check one more time, you guys, because you do not want to cut the wrong side. And now, okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just cut the front part off so that the front is 1.5 inches higher than the back. So just take your scissors, and you guys, these are just normal scissors. They're not sewing scissors. You don't need anything fancy. And I'm going to cut this all the way across. Voila. And there is your step-up jeans. Now all you guys do to fray it is you just pick at it. As you can see, it pulls up these. You just keep doing that to your likings, as much as you want or as much as you don't want. And then eventually it will turn into this, which is super cute, and now you're not wasting your old jeans. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. And like always, you can join my Facebook group, Beauty by Stacie Marie. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.